Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Goneedle's how-to video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to transfer an HTV decal onto wood. I'm using an Arabic calligraphy on this wood panel which I got from Amazon. It looks like this. Since this is very plain, I'm going to be using some gold paint and add some texture using this sponge. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna just do like this, and I'm gonna just go ahead do this. Just keep pressing. It's done. I went ahead and added some black to the sides. Now let's let it dry. Now that the paint is nice and dry, I'm gonna go ahead and transfer the decal onto the wood. I'm gonna keep it this. Place the Teflon sheet and start ironing. Keep pressing each area for 30 seconds, putting lots of pressure. Okay, I'm done ironing. Let's check. Okay, perfect. Your heat transfer on wood is ready. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.